Hello, my darlings. This is a new episode from our moving process, the second episode, and I would like to show you, as promised, the lower level of this wonderful house. It is a quick tour before moving. Just keep in mind it is a rented house and it is a completely different process of renovating when you move into a rented house compared to the renovation that somebody can do in a house that he or she owns. Okay, so long story short, let's go and have the tour of this lower level. We are now at the entrance, the main entrance into the lower level. So this is a corridor with tiles, not very nice tiles, but still in a okayish status. So we'll try to integrate these tiles into our concept. As we go here to the right, we enter the living room from the lower level. Another beautiful large room with beautiful wood floor, really beautiful, that hopefully we will can clean it and make it look its best, because it deserves really. Another beautiful large window that takes us to the front of the house. Luckily, we have also this green fence. Okay, now it's in a not best status. It needs a bit of TLC. It will be done once we move here. I like it that it's quite high and provides us a lot of privacy from the street. I already have brought some pieces of furniture. So here we have another beautiful double door that takes us outside into a small terrace. Again, another high fence, green fence, that gives us privacy from the other neighbors. Have a large radiator. Here is a space that theoretically can be used. Okay, here it's now full with many of our items that we managed to bring here. This is a space that theoretically can be used as a second kitchen. These two levels can be used independently as two independent apartments. So the lower apartment has this space for its own kitchen. At this level, the doors were already white painted by somebody who stayed here before, and that was giving us more the idea, okay, we will paint the doors white also on the upper level, so at least from this perspective will bring a bit of uniformity within the apartment. We go again into the floor, and then through these doors we go to the heating room. We are back again to the main floor, and then here we have a nice niche which can hold some beautiful art. And then in this room will be my office. And now the windows are closed, but there is also a beautiful view and still private view. And it's quite a good size for an office, working from home. And then more of my stuff that I managed to bring here. Then what is left is to my left side another main bathroom. So this level has only one bathroom, which is in an okayish status. I have managed to clean it, and probably in this window will cover it, so that it doesn't look so ugly. The same white tiles, but they are clean and they look okay. We'll see what we can do. That is me. Hello. I love this beautiful arch here, and whoever done this could have done a symmetric one here on this side as an entrance towards the living room. That would have been really nice element, but unfortunately it's not done, and most probably we are not going to change that. We are back to the living room. So my darlings, that was the tour of the lower level of this beautiful home, where we will move quite soon, I would say. Even if it will not be completely renovated, we decided to move in and then work on the renovation while we are here, because it will not be a major renovation. Therefore, all the changes that we would like to make, we can make while we are already living here. So I hope you like this episode as well, and I'm looking forward to see you on the next episode, where hopefully pray for some great weather, that then I can show you our garden. Yes. Oh, lovely. So until next time, kisses and hugs, my darlings.